Right, love is not a game, but you do want to incorporate just a little play in your relationship.
Hi, time to get playful. Dr. V here to tell us how to pull that off.
Yes. Good morning. We all need some fun in our lives.
Where do we begin?
I love this topic because for so many people, we see a lot of couples having fun on like TikTok and on Instagram and look, spontaneous fun, silliness is great. Now, I'm not a fan of this one in particular, and my family knows that, but like jump scares, that does a little something to you, especially if it's never like going too far. But a little jump scare every once in a while might be a little fun.
Just to keep things light.
Yeah. Or like an impromptu little dance session if your favorite song is on in the kitchen.
Did that last night. Thank you very much.
Yes. So having that sort of impromptu fun is really a lot of fun. But then if you want to plan for fun dates, oh my gosh, I love exploring Houston's fun side, the silly side, being able to like go and like throw darts or play mini golf or go to, if you want a trivia night, like there's so much to do in Houston. By the way, contact me because I'm always looking for fun date nights. But that's a lot of fun that you can look forward to. And then, look, for some people, they just need to learn how to laugh. So watch a comedy, play a fun game night. There's some really hilarious games out there.
Or a comedy show.
Yes, a comedy show. I love going to the Houston Improv. And yeah, it's just a lot of fun to laugh. And laughing together is really important, too.
As the medical reporter will tell you, it's the best medicine.
Yeah.
You got to do it. And just get silly. Just have fun, right?
Well,
don't take life so seriously.
You can, but I think there are so many fun little traditions that you can do as a couple. You know how we have casual Fridays, sometimes not here. But, to do something where maybe you're going to wear something that complements each other on a Friday, or maybe you give each other a fun award like once a month, you get the award for this. And it could be something silly like, worst cleanup post-party, or just something silly that can kind of get you going and thinking of each other in a different fun way. Now, if you're having trouble with always having silliness and never really getting serious, then that might be something that we can talk about at Houston Relationship Therapy.
So happy medium is what I'm hearing.
Yeah, if you're with somebody, I do get people who complain like they are so silly all the time. And that's not very sexy. So, but for the most part, having more joy, more levity, more silliness can be a really great thing for your relationship.
Well, what's your favorite thing? What do you guys like to do?
Oh my gosh, we do love going to the Improv. Like that's, I mean, we will just crack up for those few hours. But we also love watching comedies and cracking up with that. What do we do? I think my husband and I, any date night will turn into something competitive in a good way. And we laugh a lot. So I enjoy laughing all the time.
It's so important.
I'd much rather that than be like bawling at a theater. That's not my thing.
Okay, we've got enough going on in the world.
Exactly.
Thanks, Dr. V. Appreciate it.
Helpful info there. Well, guess what? You're invited to a special event to honor first responders with